Hi there, I'm Bethany Schillen. I'm the recruiter here at Hire Dragons, and welcome back to BA101. So last week we were talking about what it takes to be a brand ambassador. This week we're going to be talking about what it takes to be a brand ambassador, and specifically a dragon ambassador. You know, the ones who pour drinks, tell stories, and push those bottles. So make sure you guys also subscribe. We will be posting videos with new content every Friday, 4 p.m. Central Time here on YouTube and elsewhere. So make sure that you guys tune in for all the new exciting information coming up. Also, make sure you guys check out that link in the description below. That is how you become a dragon. So if you are ready to take the plunge, make sure you check out that link down there. And lastly, we do have people monitoring the chats. So make sure if you have any questions or just want to say hi, pop in and say hi. It's in that chat room or this chat area, and we'll be able to talk and chit chat with you. All right, so what do you need to be a dragon ambassador? Let's break it down. So number one, state certifications. So this is the fun legal side of being a dragon ambassador. Most states require this, and it is called different things in different states. In Texas, it's TABC. Midwest states usually call it TIPS, and some states actually don't even require a state certification. We still recommend it, even if it's not required, because it does give you some valuable information, like how to pour, how much you should be pouring, how to check an ID properly, all that fun stuff that can really save you out in the field. Because we are working with alcohol, it is a regulated product, so we have to make sure we know what we're doing to make sure we're covering our grounds out there. So, like I said, not all states recommend it, but we do have an option for you guys. Once you are signed up in the den under affiliates, there is an option that you guys can get a discounted rate for the state certification just for being signed up with Dragon. Fantastic. So make sure you guys check that out. It's really not expensive. I think full price, it's like $15 or something like that. It does vary per state, so it's nothing too crazy. But next, we do want to make sure that you are equipped with brand knowledge. So our whole thing at Dragon is that you guys know what you're talking about on the field. You know the brands backwards and forward, and you talk well about it. You are able to tell their stories and engage with consumers and have a great time. So brand knowledge is definitely crucial. But don't worry, because we have it set up that you will learn every single brand before you're even allowed to work for them. We call these badges. So you will get your badge for that client by taking a short quiz after studying the material and the marketing sales sheets that they give us. So very simple, nothing too crazy. And once you know that brand, you're welcome to work for them. All their tastings moving forward. So you get to earn that badge, which is really cute and fun. All right, so next up, you will need some contractor tools. This is what we call them. And this is basically your setup kit and everything that you're gonna need at every single tasting moving forward. So you'll need like a small table, a tablecloth, an ice bucket, a trash can, and maybe like a pad to stand on, or even just some maybe like decorations, like some nice flowers, something to make your table look nice. Now, most stores, especially liquor stores, will provide a place for you to perform your tasting, whether it's like a counter, a barrel, a station, whatever the case may be. But we still ask that you have a table and bring it with you every time, because they might try and put you in the wine department when you're selling a whiskey, because that's the only barrel they have left. But if you have a table, you can go set up in the whiskey department and do a lot better. So make sure that you always have that small table with you, and make sure that it is prepared and you can set it up and kind of squeeze into those little end caps and everything to get the best traffic flow possible. We do have a checklist for you. It is in our SOP. So once you get through onboarding, you have access to that SOP and access to that checklist. And most of you already have this stuff laying around your house. So make sure you check it out. Make sure you're fully prepared for that first tasting you guys go on. All right, so you will also need reliable transportation. So we have a lot of different locations we go to. You won't necessarily be going to the same location every single time. If you only want to work at that location, you are more than welcome to do so. But more often than not, you're going to be traveling around. So make sure that you have a reliable transportation. You will have to have your valid ID on you at all times. You will be purchasing liquor, whether it's through a method that we pay for or otherwise, but you will still have to present that identification. So make sure it is valid and up to date and everything like that. Last but not least, the only piece of technology that we require is going to be a smartphone. So we currently access the DIN through a web browser on your phone. So your phone does have to have that kind of capability. So make sure that you have at least a smartphone, and then you can do everything you need to do from there. All right, so of course, last but not least, what you need, and this is probably most important, a fantastic attitude. So we really want to go out there and have a great time. We always say, if you're not having fun, you're not doing it right. So fantastic attitude really helps spike that up. People want to come over and talk to you because you're having such a great time, and they want to have a great time too. So that's definitely crucial to being a dragon ambassador. So our why at Higher Dragons is that we believe everyone has a chance, that everyone has great potential and deserves a chance to thrive and realize greatness. I'll get through this, guys. We're here to help you identify what you need to be a dragon and support your growth every step of the way. So let me say that again, because I kind of stumbled through it. So we believe everyone has great potential and deserves a chance to thrive and realize greatness. So that is our why. And we definitely live that day to day. So we're definitely here to help you, support you guys, and get you where you want to be. So you can build this opportunity to whatever level you want it to be at. So if you're ready to embark on this journey and become a dragon, check out the link below. It'll say sign up here. Go check it out and join our team. So make sure if you guys have any questions, we do have a fantastic support team. They're here to help you every step of the way, getting onboarded and beyond. So we have someone on call anytime we have a tasting happening to make sure that you guys have everything you need and you are fully supported. So make sure that you utilize us. We're definitely ready to help. We try and keep our response times very low, and we try and make sure that you guys are always prepared and ready so that you can realize your own greatness. So again, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss any more BA101s moving forward. So join us next week at the same time, same place, 4 p.m. Central Time here on social media, and make sure you tune in to learn about the highs and the lows of being a brand ambassador. So thanks so much for coming this time. I hope this was super helpful for you guys, and I hope to see you soon in the next orientation. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'll see you later. And remember, we always say, be yourself unless you can be a dragon.